Are you ready for the OnePlus Ace 3? It's being touted as a powerhouse, set to elevate your experience to the next level. Get prepared, because this device is about to take you on a journey into a whole new realm of technology. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated on all things tech. Don't miss out on the latest reviews, news, and exciting innovations. Let's get started. The OnePlus Ace 3 boasts a sizable 6.74-inch display that's bound to captivate users seeking immersive viewing experiences. With a resolution of 1240 x 2772 pixels, this AMOLED screen delivers stunning visuals with sharp details and vibrant colors. The expansive screen real estate provides ample space for gaming, multimedia consumption, and productivity tasks, ensuring an engaging and comfortable viewing experience for users. Whether it's streaming high-definition content, browsing the web, or simply scrolling through social media, the Ace 3's display offers a delightful balance between crisp clarity and vibrant colors, making it a standout feature that users are likely to appreciate and enjoy. The OnePlus Ace 3 sets a new standard for performance, housing the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset coupled with a whopping 12 GB of RAM. This powerhouse combination ensures seamless multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and an overall smooth user experience. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a heavy multitasker, or someone who demands peak performance, the Ace 3 has the muscle to handle it all. Switching the OnePlus Ace 3 undoubtedly stands out as a top contender in the high-performance smartphone segment, catering to users who crave a seamless and powerful mobile experience. The OnePlus Ace 3 boasts an impressive camera setup, featuring a powerful main triple camera system comprising a 50-megapixel primary lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This versatile combination allows users to capture stunning and detailed shots in various scenarios, from high-resolution landscapes to detailed close-ups with excellent depth of field effects. The Ace 3's main camera setup offers versatility and quality. Additionally, the front-facing 16-megapixel selfie camera ensures that your selfies are sharp, clear, and ready to be shared across social media platforms. With its focus on detail and color accuracy, the front camera captures your best moments with precision. The OnePlus Ace 3 features a robust 5500 mAh battery, delivering extended usage without frequent recharges. Its Super VOOC charging technology ensures rapid charging, swiftly replenishing the battery for prolonged usage in minimal time. The USB Type-C port offers versatile connectivity for charging and data transfer. With a high-capacity battery, efficient charging, and modern USB Type-C connectivity, the OnePlus Ace 3 emerges as a formidable contender in the smartphone arena, combining top-tier performance with a stunning display, powerful cameras, and a long-lasting battery. Its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 12 GB RAM ensure seamless multitasking and gaming, while the impressive camera setup captures life's moments with clarity. The massive 5500 mAh battery, coupled with Super VOOC charging, keeps you powered up throughout the day. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Feel free to comment with suggestions for future topics or any queries you might have. Stay tuned for the latest updates and reviews.